So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Softtech, and my name is Ritvik, and welcome back once again. Today we are going to learn about how to use Wondershare Filmora 9. Okay, this is an incredible video editing software and it is very easy to use. So guys, if you have opened the Wondershare Filmora 9, this should look like this. Okay, we have few different options like new project, open project, and project library, and select project aspect ratio. Okay, so if you want to do a new project, okay, like if you want to edit something new video, then you have to click new project. But if you are already editing something in this Filmora 9, then you have to click open project. And if you are doing any other editing process, those files will come here. Okay, you can simply select which one you want and click open project. But now I am not doing any project currently in this, so I don't have anything, so I am just clicking new project. And before that, if you can also change the ratio of your video, like 16:9, 1:1, 9:16, 4:3, and 21:9. But as everyone uses 16:9 because it's standard, I'm using this. And if you want to edit, click new project. So the layout looks like this, and here we have few different sections. Like this is the main timeline where you record all your videos, means edit all your videos. Okay, and this is the place where you import all the files that you want to edit, and this is the preview window. Okay, and here you preview the timeline and everything. Okay, so guys, the first thing to edit our videos is to import them inside Filmora 9. Okay, without importing you can't edit your videos. Okay, so there are many options and many ways to import files in Filmora 9. Okay, the first and easy step is to just click here. Okay, then this box appears, and select this and click open. Okay, then those files will import here. Okay, the other step is go to the file option here and click it, and just click import media. Okay, and here you can click import media files. Okay, when you click it, this box appears again. So if you want to import anything, just select them and click open. They will import. Okay, and another easy step is just open the location where you want and where you have all the files, and just drag them inside this. Okay, that will also import. Okay, so that is how you import your files inside the Filmora 9. So guys, after importing, you can do two things. Okay, you can preview the files that you have imported in this preview window, or you can directly drag them to the timeline and start editing. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to preview your media to this player. Okay, so click on any file that you want to preview. So I am selecting this one. Okay, and just double click it, then it previews here. See, this video is previewing here. Okay, without dragging it into timeline. Similarly, if you want to see this, just select it and double click it. Okay, then this thing is previewing here. So that's how you preview. And now next thing to edit, okay, to go into main editing, is to dragging our files into timeline. So that is very simple. So just select the file that you want to import and just drag it down, okay, into the timeline. So as you have seen, the timeline has our files that we have kept. Okay, so here I am using my Softtech intro to edit, to teach you. Okay, so guys, if you have imported any media into the timeline, then we can edit the video seriously and more deeply with adding more number of effects and everything. So as you can see, this entire timeline is left waste. Okay, the only file that I have kept is only this much, but all the space is waste. So first, to recover that, you can simply click this button. Okay, it says zoom to fit timeline. or you can click Shift Z. Okay, so just click it. So this thing occupies the video. Okay, it is doing nothing but just zooming the timeline. Okay, as you can see, we can manually do it, or if you are too lazy to do it manually, just simply click this button. Okay, so that just fits the entire video into our viewing timeline. Okay, so we have no need to just drag this timeline like this every time. Okay, so the next basic step for editing is cutting the videos. Okay, trimming, cutting, okay, anything. So if you want to trim this video, just select it. Okay, then go to this edge. If you can see that the cursor changes, okay, it changes to that symbol. Okay, then just click it and just reduce to the point where you want to trim. Okay, so I want to just trim it till here. Okay, okay, then click it and just drag it again back. Okay, so as you can see, the video has been trimmed. Okay, but every time we don't have the same option to just slice off the edges like this edge and this edge. Okay, sometimes we have to cut the video in middle places like this, right? So to cut in some places that we can't trim, then we have to select this, okay, and click this, okay, split tool. Okay, so first thing you have to remember for cutting is to drag the timeline that you want to cut. Okay, so I want to cut my video where this, okay, I want to cut the video where this soft tech word comes. Okay, so I want to go back before it's nothing, so it's like nearly here. See, there is no soft tech here, so just click this scissors. Okay, it is split, or you can just click Ctrl B, so select it. Then as you can see, the clips have been divided. Okay, so now, and I want to remove the transition. Okay, so see, right, see, the transition effect has stopped here in the soft tech word. Okay, it's right here, right? So now I want to make a cut here, so just go to the scissors or click Ctrl B. Okay, now as you can see, this part is split up, this part is split up, and this part is split up. Okay, so now I want to delete this part. Okay, so that is very easy, just click it. Okay, click this slide and click delete. That thing gets deleted, and you can again drag this down to match our timeline. Okay, now as you can see, the transition in this text has gone. See, have you seen it? See, so as you can see, that effect inside the text has gone completely. Okay, so that's a view cut and trim your videos. So guys, as you have seen, we have learned how to trim and cut our videos. Okay, so the next main basic editing is to add transitions. Okay, so I want to add transitions between these two clips. Okay, so that is very simple. Okay, just go to this transition option here. See, you can see here transition, just click it. Okay, so here we have bunch of transition options available, and I want to add transitions between these two clips. Okay, this clip and this clip. So it is very easy. Okay, see the transition that you want. Okay, and I want to add this blind one. Okay, so click it and just drag it down to the place where you want to add transition. Okay, and just leave it. Okay, now as you can see, the transition has come. Okay, move this thing here and just play. So as you can see, the transition has come here. These bars are the transitions that I have added. Okay, and if you think the transition is too long, okay, that is very simple to even start it up. So click on this transition option. Okay, click it and just you can see the cursor has changed, so we can change our direction and size that we want for our transition. So I wanted to make it short, so I will just make it short and leave it. So as you can see, the transition has reduced. Okay, before it was used to be like this, but now I have reduced it to like this. So now if you can see, the transition has come lately, right? And it's gone fast. So that's how you add transitions, and there are many transitions, and you can even download them from Filmstocks. Okay, and some of the transitions are free that you can buy, you can download, and some of them are paid. Okay, means you have to purchase the Filmstocks to get more transitions. So guys, the next basic thing to do for editing is adding titles. Okay, titles, text. Okay, if you want to add text, that is very simple. Okay, just go to titles here. Okay, titles, click it. Then again there are bunch of title options for you. Okay, some of them you can download, and some of them there are default preloaded in this Filmora 9. I have downloaded some because I just like them. Okay, so I want to add this design. Okay, I want it to be simple. Okay, so just drag it down here. Okay, now we are observing one big problem. The title duration is so much larger than our entire video, so we don't want that to happen, because if you see what happens, the entire title will keep on continuing. Okay, even if the video bottom is khatam, over. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, for example, my intro is only, for example, is only like 4 seconds nearly. Okay, but the text itself is somewhere 7-8 seconds, so we don't want that. So that is very simple to fix. Just go here to trim. Okay, I taught you how to trim just one minute before. So yes, select this video and the cursor changes, just push it here. So as you can see, now the title is exactly fitting to our video. Okay, it's not too long now. So just click this so that I can view the entire timeline, and I want to change this to my own text. I want to modify it. So what should I do now? It is very simple. Just select this. Okay, just left click on this title. Okay, then this text box comes. Okay, you can change the position of this. Okay, and if you want to change the text inside it, double click on this, then this dialog box appears. Okay, so here is the place where you can edit the text. Okay, so here I want to click subscribe. Okay, so I have clicked subscribe. Okay, and if you want to change the font, it's very simple, it's right here. Okay, just select whichever font style. Again there are just bunch of fonts. Let's select something nice. Okay, this thing we will select. Okay, so I have changed the subscribe font style. Okay, so now if I want to change my size of the text. Okay, I want to make it much larger, so that is also very simple. It is right here. Okay, now presently the text size is 78, but if I want to increase, okay, so from 70 to, okay, I just want to click 100, so the size increases. Okay, and similarly if you want to add bold, okay, italic, those fonts that you do daily in Word or etc., it is also same here. Okay, and if you want to change the color, simply just go to this text color. Okay, click this drop down arrow, and there are so many options here, like so many colors. But if you are not satisfied with any of those colors, just go and click more. Then this proper professional color grading tool appears. Okay, then this simply select the text that you want. So I am keeping this light blue and click OK. Okay, as you can see, the color has changed. Okay, and these are all the special effects that if you don't want to customize yourself, these are the things. Okay, these are so many options, those which are default here. Okay, and if you are satisfied with the text that you want, simply click OK. That's it, your title has been created here, right? And one more thing, if you don't want your text here, okay, I need it somewhere in middle of here, okay, then even that is very simple. Just click on this title and drag it wherever you want. Okay, that's it. Now we have this subscribe title here in front of Softtech. Okay, and here there is nothing because our title is only from year to year. But if you want the subscribe option till here, just click it and just expand this. Okay, it is simple. Okay, so that's how you add text. So guys, sometimes you have some situations where you have to remove the audio but continue your video. Okay, so for example, in this clip I don't want audio, okay, but I want the video to play. Okay, so there are two ways to do. Simply, if you want this entire clip audio to go down, you have this volume line here, okay, 0 decibels volume. So if you want to increase, just move it up, okay, or if you want to mute it, just make it down. So as you can see, the audio waveforms are not visible here anymore. That means there is no audio. See, in this clip there is no audio, but it continues because there is audio here. Okay, but in some cases you want from, for example, you want your audio from ear to ear gone. Okay, you don't want that audio, those two clips. So now what will you do? If you cut, the video also gets cut and you just can't mute like this thing as you are done here. So what will you do? Okay, so that's very easy. So just select the clip that you want and just right click it. Okay, and here we have so many options. So for the thing that we want to do, you can just click detach audio. Okay, so here we have detached the audio and video. Okay, so now we are not at all connected with the audio and video. Okay, we can do our own things. So now if you want to delete the audio, just delete it. There is no problem with video because the video just continues. So now I want to just remove the audio from ear to ear. So that is just very simple. Okay, just select the audio track here. Okay, select this and place the cursor where you want to remove. Okay, just okay, I want from here. Okay, so just click this trim option again. So as you can see, this is trimmed here. So I want it to remove from here to somewhere here. Okay, again click this cut option. Right, now you can see that this clip is separate. Okay, and this clip is separate and this clip is separate. So now I can just simply select this and hit delete. So now you have seen that there is no audio here, but there is audio here and here. So that's how simply you can remove the audio with video, okay, in Filmora 9. So guys, this is the basic editing in Wondershare Filmora 9. Okay, this is the basic stuff that you can do, and there are a lot more we can do. Okay, but I'm just stopping it here because the video is so long, and I will make a part 2 and I will make a full tailed version tutorial. Okay, that is coming soon, so stay tuned for it and like the video if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to share my video. Okay, if anyone is interested in this software technology and etc., just share this channel to them. Okay, I will feel very happy, and thank you and goodbye.